Hello guys, welcome to Concept Recap channel, and we will look at tutorials for the first topic. So in this video we will look at order of ordinary differential equations. So we have basically 5 questions in this video about the order. So let's start. So the question says that you need to find the order of the equation and of the function, and then you need to also find the unknown function and the independent variable. So you have got 3 parts for this question. So what we'll be doing, I'll be sending the questions in advance so that you can practice before we look together. So we have a PDF always. So this one I sent in the first video. So the link will also be in this video, where if you want to download the PDF. So in this equation, you need to find the order, the unknown function, and the independent variable. So as we say that if you have in an equation, if you have the derivative part, dy dx, for example, we say that the order is the highest derivative. And we say that the upper part, if you say dy, that means y is your unknown function, and x, dx, is your independent variable. We talked about all this in the first video in the concept. So if you want to go and watch it, you can go and do so. But we will move on now for now. So we have in this question, the first part, the order. So if you have to find where there is a derivative. So in this you have got 2 variables. There's t, and there's this letter here. It's a Greek letter, it's not w. So this is omega, they call it omega. So the derivative part, we say that first derivative, for example, will be y prime, and second will be y prime prime, and third will be y prime prime. But so if you're going higher order, you can just put in a small bracket like this. So according to this one, then your derivative, the order will be what? Will be 4, fourth order, because that's the highest derivative. The omega is to the power 4, not to the derivative, to the 4th derivative. So you need to know those. And the second question is, the second part, the unknown function, then is what? Is your t. Similarly, the independent variable then is the other variable you have in the equation. So it's omega. Now the second question is this. So in this one, just as we did with the first one, the highest derivative in this one, according to what I can see, then it's fifth order, and the unknown function is t. The independent variable is the independent variable here is w. So let's quickly go to another question. It's just the same like this. So in this one, it's a different representation. So you are simply you are squaring the derivative here. In this one, you are squaring you are squaring the derivative. So square is not the order. The order is the order of the derivative. So here the order will be third order, and B, the non-function will be R, and C, the independent variable will be Y. So if you do that, then you are correct. So the fourth question is this. So you have A, order is 8th order, and a non-function is R, and the independent variable is V. So this is just basically simple stuff. We haven't even started real stuff yet. Lastly, let's look this last question. Now here the derivative, the highest derivative you have in the equation is this. So that is the highest derivative. In that case, A will be 7th order, and B will be that's the unknown function. It will be the function of Y. Yeah, so it's the function of Y, and because we said this, you can write it as what? D7Y. The other variable in the equation is x, so it is dx to the power 7. So that's how you get the unknown function, and C, which is the independent variable, is the x here. So that's it, guys, just for practice on how to find the order, the unknown function, and the independent variable. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and goodbye.